Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chrissy Pips. Today is Money Market Monday and it is my birthday. So we're gonna have some fun today. Now, because it's my birthday and I'm in such a great mood, what I'm going to do is give away 10 seats to a live high frequency trading session with my team and I. Now, in order for you to win one of those 10 seats, 3 things must happen. You cannot be a current student in I Am Mastery Academy. You must go to profitwithchrissypips.com and register. Just fill out the first page. And then number 3, go ahead and send me a message on Facebook or on Instagram Messenger so that we can coordinate what the best session would be for you to hop on, because my team and I trade live 6 days or 6 times during the week. Okay? So, I want to give away those 10 seats. Now, aside from that, y'all know it's Money Market Monday. We trade 𝐴𝐶𝐴D on this channel, and we're going to mark it up. As always, if you are here, you're interested, so let's get into it. Let's get started. Now, as you know, we start out on forexfactory.com to take a look at what's going on in the market. So let's take a look at our folders. So we don't have any folders today, but throughout the rest of the week, we have some pretty intense folders. Lots of orange and red here. So let's see. And these are on UCAD. We're USD. So let's see. For CAD, how many do we have for CAD? So this one is not too bad. The one that happens at 1:30 tomorrow. Construction work done. Okay. See the orders here. Let's see. Canada got a lot of council members speaking. So we'll see how that affects the market too. What's this red folder? Let's see. Oh, so this is for the US dollar. Let's see. Oh, okay. A symposium for every pair, I guess. Let's see. Let's see what this is. I don't know what that is. Oh, the Economic Policy Symposium. Okay. Attended by central banks, finance ministers, academies, and financial market participants from around the world. So Thursday, and it doesn't give us a specific time. So Thursday's folder is one that we want to look out for. Okay. Let's see. The Fed chair speaks. These speaking engagements can move the market, but they don't worry me all that much. Let's see. Yeah, so this week looks pretty busy for 𝐴𝐶𝐴D, and just all of the news is coming up. And then if you're trading a US pair, we have a lot of news here for that. So just be mindful of that going forward. Let's see. And as far as market movement, we have 𝐴𝐶𝐴D currently on an uptrend, AU currently down, EU currently down, and UCAD currently up. So we'll keep an eye on this information. Let's see. And this is just the last 24 hours worth of information, but it's always good to have, you know. So let's head over to the charts and get started marking everything up there. So, as always, you guys know we start top down. So let's go ahead and get our daily time frame marked up. Now, let's start out with the most recent trend line. And as a reminder, if you guys don't know, this is how we do them, okay? They start out red on the daily. This is the highest closing set of candles. This is the lowest set of closing candles. This is the origin of the low. So we're going to go from high to the origin of the low. That is our downtrend line. Okay? We want to see how price respects this line. Now, let's go and make a fib here. Let's make sure we are on, let's see, lines only. And you guys know I like the zoom tool. That's perfect. Let's see. And you know, if you hit control and hold the scroll wheel, or scroll the scroll wheel, you can actually kind of widen your candles without losing your place. Like if you do it normally, they move from left to right. But if you hold control, it stays on the candle that you are on. Now let's zoom out of here. Now we have a nice supply zone that we want to box up. So let's get that out of the way. And let's see, let's go ahead and find a good uptrend. I think the last one was a couple years ago. So let's do this to mark the bottom. And let's scroll over a little bit. Let's see. Yep, I think that's the one I used last, was this one right here. From, okay, 2008. Let's see. Let's find the low and the high here. And this will probably be our markup for the rest of the month for the daily. So I won't actually get rid of this one this time. I will still go through it on each video just to make sure everybody has accurate information, because not everybody will see this at the same time. And let's go ahead and mark up our demand zone, the last strong demand zone that we had. And you know what? I am actually going to box this one up. Let's see. And this is supposed to be daily demand. And let's extend this. I told you guys that we will be doing, there we go, this, because it extends all the way over the current price. See? And this is almost enough information on our daily for us to move down to the 4 hour. So you know we have to put the box here. And let's see. Let's zoom in, make it more precise. This is sell. Let's make this one a little bit lighter. And I told you guys, I love these new little dots that they put on here to move the tool. Phenomenal. So let's drag that out there and pull out our object tree. This is the daily group. And we drag all of these tools inside of that group. That way, when I actually delete everything for next Monday, we'll still have the daily markup. We can just come back in and take a look to see if it's still accurate, if there's been any significant movement in the market. Let's make these more precise. Y'all know how I am about precision, right? Let's zoom out. Okay, so we have supply, demand, and we have our sell zone. We will go ahead and, for the sake of argument, we are going to drop a fib on this swing here. but I'll show you guys a little trick, okay? We are only dropping this here so that we can find out when it is going to be active, okay? So we're gonna put an alert right here. And this is going to be 𝗲𝗃𝗃 active. We're going to do every time. We are going to do crossing down and create. Okay, now we can actually get rid of this fib. We don't need it. So let's drop it in here, but this one will be hidden. And let's lock everything that's in here so it can't be moved around. Okay, so this is our daily time frame markup. So exactly what we just did on the day, I'm gonna go to the 4 hour, okay? Okay, so let's zoom in on the 4 hour. The downtrend line that we use from the daily, that's the area that we will be zooming in and marking up on the 4 hour. So we are going to do our trend line, and then we're going to do, just if you want to get a good idea of what analysis looks like, start at previous movement, like look left and see what happened. Okay, so we draw out our down fib, draw out our sell zone, right? And then this is the last area that we could look for sellers, but we see what happened here. We would have perfectly executed this trade as well. So draw out the next one, same thing. Perfectly executed this one as well. Draw out the next one, same thing. So it is safe to say we know what we're looking for, right? We are looking for, from just our daily and our 4 hour time frame, we're looking for price to repeat itself, right? It didn't necessarily close at our second sell zone, it closed at the first sell zone. Okay, so we're going to look for price to come in this box and then turn around and go back down. If we get a break of the trend line, that's a different conversation, but you'll see it in the notes. Now, don't forget to put everything in the object tree and make another folder, okay? And when you put everything in the folder, please lock the folder. Now, let's go down to the 30-minute time frame and do the exact same thing. Okay, so here on the 30-minute time frame, we're going to do the exact same thing again. So trend line, fib to see what happened, sell zone. It looks like we would have not hit the entry here, but I'm sure on the 15-minute or lower time frame, we could have got into these little pullbacks. And then we never got activated up here. So next fib, and then next sell zone. So we already broke through this sell zone, so we're looking for price to react right here. So right at this line, okay? Now what we'll do is we will zoom out and we'll have a look at our 30-minute time frame information with our 4 hour time frame information. Okay, so see the difference? We have just this area marked up on the 30, but the 4 hour gives us some more information. So we have some strong zones that are overlapping here. So let's see. Let's turn this off for a second. So yeah, we might want to see price react from up here just because this is such a strong downtrend. So let's do this. I want to wait and see what happens when price gets in here. Okay. So looking at it from the 30-minute using the 4 hour analysis information, I think this is a stronger zone for us. And it's just based off of the fact that we actually hit these zones on the 4 hour and they were kind of passed right by on the 30-minute. We didn't get either of these entries. So let's do this. I'm definitely going to set an alert. And let's see. And this would be supply zone 1. Okay, so that is our 786. So I want to see what happens when price gets here. So I'll set an alert to tell me what happens when price gets here. I'll go ahead and look at the chart at that time, right? Let's see. Let's put an alert here as well. So the first alert is at 94846. Okay. The next one we're going to do, if you have Pro, you have the ability to put on multiple alerts. If you do not have Pro, you can download an app called Call Levels, and it lets you put alerts at specific price points using call levels if you do not have TradingView and the Pro upgraded version. Okay. Now, if you do want to upgrade, I will definitely go ahead and drop the link below for you in the description box. But let's go ahead and put an alert here, because I want to see what happens. So we will put check the chart. And this is our sell zone. Box. Okay. Where'd my C go? There we go. Check the charts. So we'll go ahead and save this information. We want this to be, let's say, crossing down, because I want it when it comes back out, not when it goes in. And we'll put every time. So we're going to save these two alerts. I'm going to take a look later on this afternoon, because it's 11:13 now. And I know we do have some news coming up, but what we'll do is we'll take a look. I'll look later on and I'll update through TradingView. And you know, you can always catch the recap on IGTV at 𝗃Ci𝗶Hs and take a look. I just posted last week's replay there. So have a look at that. We actually did pretty well. Okay, so that's going to wrap us up for today. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on TradingView so that you can see the updated idea. Since we don't really have a good entry and exit point, I will check back later today and post it on tradingview.com. So follow me. I am at 𝗃Ci𝗶Hs on all social media. And don't forget about the birthday giveaway. I want to give away those 10 seats. So you cannot be a current student in I Am Mastery Academy. Go ahead and go to profitwithChrissy.com and register, and go ahead and message me on Facebook or Instagram. Let me know. This is only for the first 10 people. But you guys, as always, listen, if you enjoy the content in the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hey, comment below. Let me know what other pairs you might want to see, because I am open to looking at other pairs. If you think others can get some value from this content, go ahead and share it on social media. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on what's next. Now, as always, I hope you guys are having an awesome and productive day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.